Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing all of you my everyday night skincare routine. A lot of you have been asking me on my Instagram stories what I do as a morning routine and as a night routine. So I'm going to be showing you both eventually, but I decided to start with my night routine first. So follow me through and hope you guys enjoy it. That's it, you guys. That is my everyday night skincare routine. If you guys have any suggestions on any kind of videos that you'd like to see next on my channel, feel free to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Good night. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to all of you. And that's it, you guys. That's my everyday night makeup